Okay, so now we are still on page 109 and we're looking at our second proof. First thing to do is to draw this figure onto notebook paper because you may not have enough room in that module book to actually write everything that we need to write for this proof. Page 109, number 2. So I'm going to title my, I don't know how many steps this is going to take. First column, statements. Second column, reasons. And I'm going to start with the first given. And that is that angle B and angle C are supplementary. That is a given. Okay, now we had this conversation based on that given. What can you conclude about angle B and angle C? No, not corresponding. What's the definition of supplementary angles? All right, so then our second statement, let's say that the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C is 180 degrees based on a linear pair. Sorry, not a linear pair. What was I thinking? Not based on linear pair, based on the definition of supplementary angles. Somebody asked me to wait. Yes. Okay. M, the measure of angle. So this one was supposed to be an M too, but it came out kind of. The measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C is 180 degrees by definition of supplementary angles. All right, let's go to the second given. The second given is that the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle C. Given. So whatever angle A is, angle C is as well. Now, let's talk about consecutive angles. Consecutive angles are supplementary. And so this angle plus this angle will total 180 degrees. Because they are consecutive, right next to each other. Or I can't say that yet. I can only say that these consecutive angles are supplementary if they were on parallel lines, and we haven't proven that they're parallel yet. But if we know that the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle C, then by substitution, take a look at this. B and C is 180 degrees. So then, based on substitution, knowing that this angle is equal to this angle, we can say that the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle A is also 180 degrees because of the substitution property. Do you all see what I did there? Anybody not see what I did there? It's okay to not understand. Okay. So, if I tell you that her and her together have $180, and we know that her and him also have the same amount. So however much they have, however much she has, he has it. So then I'm going to substitute her for him and say that him and her now have $180.
All right.
You understood that?
Nope.
We're replacing her with him.
Wait, because she has the same amount of money as her.
No, as him.
As him.
Yes. Together they had 180.
So then he would have the exact same amount to them together. So they can make it.
Yes, that's substitution. No, you didn't see it? Okay. These two ladies have 180 degrees. B and C, yes. Okay, B and C have 180 degrees together. B and C have 180 degrees together. B and A have the same amount. Therefore, A and B are 180 also. Give me a thumbs up if you understood that a little bit better than what you did before. Okay. So now,
They all have the same.
they all have the same. No, they don't all have the same.
She has a certain amount. These two have the same.
These two have the same amount. In other words,
So she has one. They both equal 180.
they both equal 180.
But
These two equal 180.
are the same.
But these two are the same. So then we can say that these two equal 180 because we replace this circle with that circle. That's a substitution property. Okay, now, why can we now conclude that AD is parallel to BC? Based on what we have so far, why can we conclude that AD is parallel to BC? They're not perpendicular because they're parallel. And why can't we say that they're parallel?
Because they intersect. I mean, they don't touch. Because A and C never intersect.
Corresponding. Maybe corresponding because you said B and H. So because if the A and B are the same.
Something's missing. We need more information. Something is missing. We need more information.
Okay, so what's 4? The substitution thing?
Not perpendicular. I think we have enough information. I'm sorry. We might have enough. Do we have enough information to prove that line AB is parallel to line DC? Let's try that one.
No, because we didn't figure out D yet. So we need to say D is.
We don't need D. Let's hear from Caleb. Caleb, you said, yeah, we have enough information to prove that AB is parallel to DC.
Yeah.
Okay, why? Why do you know that they're two straight lines? Y'all think back to 8th grade basics. Why do you know that they are two straight lines? Go back over there to the 8th grade basics.
Is that consecutive?
What angles are consecutive?
A and B.
Here's AB, here's DC. How do you know that these lines are parallel?
Because A and B are consecutive and D and the other D and C are consecutive.
We're not talking about D. Leave D alone. What is consecutive? What angles do you know are consecutive? B and no, in regards to the yellow lines.
B and C.
B and C. In regards to the yellow lines, we know that B and C are consecutive. We got to record this. Is that the one we're working on now?
No.
What's this? Quit playing. Where's the video?